Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMade Unique, and today we're going to see how to freeze column on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to freeze the column on your WPS spreadsheet on the computer, I'm just going to show in this video. So for that, I'm just going to maximize this. And now you just need to click on the view option on the top. So for an example here, I'm just going to type the headings. So I'm just going to type head 1 here, header 1 here. Okay, so let's make headings for this up to 10. So I just want to freeze this first column here. So just need to click on the freeze pan option and just you want to click on the freeze the first column. So now you can just scroll sideways. You can see the data are moving. So for an example here, I have a data up to a long form of columns like this. You can see the first column is freezed. So you can find the data. The first column will be freezed like this. If you just want to freeze another column like up to 3 or 4 columns, you can also do that. For an example, I just want to freeze the column up to D. So you just click on this and click on the freeze pan option. So now it shows freeze the column up to D. Just click this. Now you just move. You can see it's freeze up to D. So this is how you just freeze the pan or freeze the column on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Unique. Have a wonderful day.